This is coming back for sure, bro. I'm gonna low-key drop this back on Cooley or Polly, I forgot what his name is, like how to pronounce it, but if he was here, he'll be going so crazy right now. Cause he's been waiting for this song to come back. King Cooley, you guys know what I'm talking about. He's in the live sometimes. He's been waiting for this song to come back. But I don't have the cover art. But I'm gonna re-drop this. This is insane. Woo! But these niggas got me pissed off. Man, 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 these niggas got me. I'm a dying legend even if you fucking kill me. Oh, now you fucking feel me. Oh, now you fucking hear me. I'm tired of the misconception and the fucking lies. I see the vision from a mile away. Look in your eyes. Deceitful. Now here's the sequel. My vision clear as equal. The vultures in the Seagulls reach for my desert eagle. I blow my fucking mind. I travel space and time. I don't trust me. You're not hearing me because what the hell? That's actually bars upon bars upon bars. If you dissect what the fuck I'm saying, niggas going crazier than fuck. Oh my god. Niggas really sleep on me and it's actually sad, bro, because that song is... I understand why niggas want that. So I understand why niggas want that song back. I understand why niggas want that song back. I completely get it. I completely understand why niggas want that song back, man. I completely get it. Made like several bird references back to back. And then after that I talked about I travel space and time because I blow my fucking mind. When you die, it's like a DMT trip. That's what that is. You niggas ain't even hear me, man. Yes, this is coming back. This is coming back. Trust. I just need to get a cover art. But I'm gonna put this on SoundCloud. I need the cover art though. I'll just put some temporary cover art. I'll bring this back. I'm a die legend, even if you fucking kill me. Oh, now you fucking feel me. Oh, now you fucking hear me. I'm tired of this misconception and the sequel. Tears are stiff as treacle. Part 2, now here's the sequel. My vision's clear as equal. The vultures in the sequel. I don't know. I actually don't know. Cody, what's good, bro? Hey, Cody, please send beats, bro. I want to record on some shit. And I'm going to send it back to you, like, straight away because we need to make some fire. Because, look, bro. Wait, Cody, if you're still here, let me play this shit, bro. Because we've been going crazy for a while. Like, niggas know. Niggas know. For real. We've been sliding on this shit. This is Cody right here, bro. If you want more music with me and Cody, comment in the chat, bro. Because, for real, this nigga's a goat. This nigga's a goat. Blunts, what's good, bro? Bro, I got hits with so many niggas in here, bro. Watch. We're going up. You niggas need to start sharing my shit, though. Because, bro, we're going up, bro. No cap. London, stand up, you feel me? I'm sipping on act. Got lean, I got pants in the back. She shaking and making it clap. She said that she love how I rap. Yeah, you want some money, go get you some rice. I spend it and then make it back. My money, so I'll make it stack. My money, so I'll make it stack. I'm smoking on stinking that pack. I'm making this till we go black. Colors, we just mix, match. Hits I never missed. Popping pills like Tic Tacs. Guns up in that zip bag. Private check or jet lag. Then come get your bitch back. Where the fuck I been? I'm out of space, I'm out of mind, yeah. You ain't talking about no money, please don't waste my time, yeah. I will never stop this shit, I'm always on my grind, yeah. I'm sipping on that purple stuff and I ain't too. I'm sipping on act. Got lean, I got pipes in the back. She shaking and making it clap. She said that she love how I rap. If you want some money, go get you some rights. I spend it and nah, for real, bro.
My money
These niggas don't even know.
My money too, I'll make it start.
These niggas don't even know, for real. We got hits for real. Bruh, send beats, for real. I'ma send you some shit, cause we need more. That shit's crazy. I'ma send you that shit straight away as well, bro. I'ma record like... If you send it to me now, I'ma record when I get off this live, bro. Because, yeah. I need to slide on some shit, man. These niggas gonna be hype. These niggas gonna be hype. You don't understand. Bet, bro, I'm gonna text you after this, cause, yeah. Nah, you know what, bro? Fuck it. I might just text you now, bro. Or actually, I don't know. I'm gonna send you some shit in it. Yeah, fuck it. Let me record now in it. Fuck it. I'm gonna text you in it, bro.